Today we're going to be learning about a very basic but very important concept in physics, which is speed. Speed basically tells us how fast or how slow an object is moving in a direction. To learn about speed, we have to first understand some key concepts, which is distance. First of all, distance is like the total length of a path followed by an object. For example, if you walk around the park, distance would be the amount um, of length you covered. It doesn't matter that direction, that would be the distance. And then time, which is when we refer to time, when we talk about speed, we refer about how much time it took an object to get to a certain distance. Now imagine you are in a race or you are watching some cars speed up. Um, the faster you're going, the higher your speed. So in physics, this formula is expressed as speed is equals to distance over time. This formula helps us find out exactly how fast something is moving. So let's see how it works with some examples. Well, reads, suppose you are running at a 100-meter race. It takes you 20 seconds to finish it. At what speed are you running? So first, we remember the formula, which is speed is equal to distance over time. So we just substitute. So speed will be equal to 100 meters over 20 seconds. We place this in a calculator and it will give us 5 meters per second. Yes, 5. So the speed at which we are running is 5 meters per second. Second exercise reads, imagine a car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. What is its speed? So we just substitute in the formula. Speed will be equal to 150 kilometers over 3 hours. We place this in our calculator and it gives us 50. So the speed of the car is 50 kilometers per hour. Example reads, you ride your bicycle at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. It still takes you 2 hours to get to your destiny. How much distance did you cover? So in this case, we already have speed and we already have time. We have to figure out distance. So we take the original formula and we are going to substitute or figure out the formula we have to use in order to get distance. So we just have to pass time to multiply times speed. So distance will be equal to speed times time. Now we can substitute. Distance will be equal to 15 kilometers per hour times 2 hours. We can cross this, and 15 times 2 is 30. So it'll be 30 kilometers. So you covered a distance of 30 kilometers in total. So the fourth example reads, you walk to school, which is 2 kilometers away. It takes you half an hour to get there. At what speed are you walking? So we have to figure out speed. It gives us the distance, which is 2 kilometers, and tells us that we take half an hour, which is 0.5 there. Now We place this in our calculator and it gives us 4. So we cover 4 kilometers per hour. That would be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and that you got to learn something about the basic concept of speed. I remind you to stay focused and to stay loving physics.